Hello little stars. Welcome to our happy farm. Today, let's learn farm animals and their sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a cow.
A cow says, moo, moo.
This is a pig.
A pig says, oink, oink.
This is a buffalo.
A buffalo says, moo, moo.
This is a goat.
A goat says, baa, baa.
This is a sheep.
A sheep says, baa, baa.
This is a horse.
A horse says, neigh, neigh.
This is a donkey.
A donkey says, hee haw, hee haw.
This is a camel.
A camel makes a grunting sound.
This is a rabbit.
A rabbit says, this is a hen. A hen says, cluck, cluck.
This is a duck.
A duck says, quack, quack.
This is a goose.
A goose says, honk, honk.
This is a turkey.
A turkey says, gobble, gobble.
This is a guinea fowl.
A guinea fowl makes a loud sound.
This is a peacock.
A peacock says, meow, meow.
Yay!
Today we learned farm animals and their sounds. Let's learn more fun things next time.